Hello dear students, greetings to all. In the last class we have seen short answer type questions and the first three long answer type questions. Let us continue with the question answers. The fourth question. Discuss briefly the compulsory functions of a village panchayat. Dear students, its answer is given in page number 102 and 103. There are around 18 points are given in our textbook. Dear students, read these points and write down the answer for this question. I will read out some of the important points. First one, construction and repair of village roads and waterways, planting trees, constructions and repair of village wells and tanks, provision of light on roads and streets, provision of clean drinking water, sanitation and public health, maintenance of public places, cleanliness of public streets, collection of rents, keeping a record of births and deaths, etc. Let us go to the next two questions. How is a village panchayat formed? Almost all villages in India have a Grama Sabha, that is called village assembly, a Grama Panchayat or village panchayat, and a Nyaya Panchayat. So in all the villages it has a Grama Sabha, Grama Panchayat and Nyaya Panchayat. These may be called the three important wings of village panchayat. Then you have to write, every village has a Grama Sabha and every adult, male and female, who is 18 years of age or above is a member of Grama Sabha. The member of Grama Sabha elect the Grama Panchayat through the secret ballot. It is selected for a period of 5 years. These are the important points for this question, and dear students, you have to elaborate these points. Let us go to the next question. What is the significance of a village panchayat? The significance of village panchayat is also given in page number 104. 6 points are given over there. Let us look at them. They help the people in solving their own problems and thus reduce the burden of the government. They provide the first lesson in democracy by giving village voters a chance to elect their panchayat. They are the primary centers to impart education in cooperation and self-help. They teach villagers to be self-dependent. They are the basis of the Panchayati Raj. They have to establish democracy at the grassroots level. These are the significance of village panchayat. Let us go to the last long answer type question. Write a short note on Panchayat Secretary. Its answer is in page number 102. The Panchayat Secretary is a paid officer of the Panchayat. He maintains records and registers of the work done by the Panchayat. He also prepares its account. He is appointed by the district magistrate or the deputy commissioner. With this, we have completed the long answer type questions. Let us go to the filling the blanks. A panchayat is elected for dash years. 5 years. Dash was an ardent supporter of the village panchayat. Mahatma Gandhi was an ardent supporter of the village panchayat. And the next question is, dash constitutional amendment has directed the state governments for the formation of a village panchayat. 73rd constitutional amendment has directed the state governments for the formation of village panchayats. And the fourth one, dash maintains records and registers of the work done by the panchayat. Panchayat secretary maintains records and registers of the work done by the panchayat. And the fifth question, local government in a village is called dash. Local government in a village is called Panchayati Raj. Grama Panchayat is a small committee of dash to dash members, 7 to 30 members, who are elected by the Grama Sabha. Next exercise is match the following. In the A box, it is given Nyaya Panchayat, the head of the Panchayat, Grama Sabha, Grama Panchayat, the secretary of the Grama Panchayat. In the box B, it is given is a paid official, elects the members of the Panchayat, elects members of the Nyaya Panchayat, deals with minor cases of trespasses, theft and other petty crimes. Is called Sarpanch. Dear students, I request you all to find its answers. It's very easy. With the help of the textbook, you can easily find its answers. Let us go to the true or false. No seats are reserved for anyone in the village panchayat. It's false, and you have to correct this statement, and the correct statement is that seats are reserved for SCs, STs and women. the seats are reserved for scheduled caste and scheduled tribes and women. Next one, in Bihar the president of the panchayat is called Sarpanch, and in Punjabi he is called Mukhya. That's also false. Its correct statement is, in UP president of panchayat is called Sarpanch, and in Bihar he is called Mukhya. The third one, a Nyaya Panchayat can send a person to jail. Nyaya Panchayat cannot send a person to jail but can impose small fines. So this statement also is false. And the fourth one, it is compulsory to have women members in a panchayat. That's also false. Seats are reserved for women in proportion to their population. And the fifth one, the panchayat consists of 10 members who are elected. The fifth one is also false. Panchayat consists of 7 to 30 members who are elected by Grama Sabha. And the last one, pants get a handsome salary. False. Pants do not get a handsome salary. Dear students, you have to write this true or false in your copy. While you write this one in your copy, you have to write the statements given in our textbook. Thereafter, you have to write whether it is true or false. All these statements are false. Then you have to rewrite it with the correct statement. I conclude for today. I request you all to prepare for the UT, and for the unit test you have to study the first chapter from history and the first chapter from civics. Have a nice day. God bless you.